The Energy System headphones combine excellent modern design, good sound and technology within reach of a click. Thus, the new Energy Headphones BT Smart 6 voice assistant will allow you to connect with the voice assistant of your phone, that is, the Google Assistant or Siri, directly through a side button included in the headphones. Through these headphones the user gives voice commands and the device automatically executes them on the smartphone, such as making a call, activating the map function or checking the status of a flight, sources with the Alicante-based company explain. And not only that. These headphones, moreover, are within reach of many pockets. Its launch price is $59.90 and will be available in the coming days on the website of the firm. Likewise, Energy System has recently launched other headphones with noise cancellation that we have seen in Berlin, named Energy Headphones BT7 Travel ANC, which are still below the threshold of €100, since they cost $89.90, and they have a battery with up to 27 hours of autonomy. We want our products to be good and have an affordable price. We do not want to be a cheap brand, but accessible to people, insists Noemi Climent, the person in charge of the international communication of Energy System, to the Digital Trends and Español team. For this reason, another new sound tower from Energy Sistema will be added very soon to the catalog of the Spanish brand. It is the Energy Tower 7 True Wireless with 100 W of power and True Wireless Stero technology. In particular, the best thing about this device is that multiple units can be paired. So, if you decide to buy only one tower, the initial price is €139, and if you choose the Duo System Pack, you will have to pay €278.